The coy wolf is a master of adaptation. Found across North America, it combines the strength of a wolf, the cunning of a coyote, and the adaptability of a dog. Coy wolves are extremely territorial, hunting in packs like wolves, yet they can survive near human settlements thanks to their domestic instincts. What makes them dangerous is their unpredictable behavior. A single coy wolf can take down prey much larger than itself, and packs have been known to work together to hunt deer, livestock, and even pets. Unlike wolves, coy wolves are bold around humans, sometimes venturing into urban areas at night. Their hybrid vigor also makes them faster and smarter than either parent. Researchers warn that coy wolves are not just clever hunters, but also opportunistic survivors, a hybrid predator born for dominance. Two coy dogs may seem smaller than coy wolves, but their danger lies in unpredictability. They inherit the coyote's aggression and hunting instincts while keeping dog-like cunning and social awareness. Coy dogs often hunt alone or in pairs, and they are highly territorial. In some regions, these hybrids have been observed attacking small livestock, and in rare cases, even humans who come too close. Unlike wolves, coy dogs can blend into urban and suburban environments, making them a hidden danger. Their unpredictable nature is a stark reminder that hybridization can produce creatures that defy our expectations. 3. Dzos. Larger and stronger than either parent, Dzos are highly territorial and capable of charging without warning. Farmers often respect Dzos not because of loyalty, but because of sheer fear. One wrong move can trigger a forceful attack, as these hybrids have immense muscle power and an unpredictable temperament. Their intelligence also makes them clever problem solvers. Dzos can find weak spots in fences or escape containment, which adds another layer of danger. These animals are a prime example of how hybrid vigor amplifies natural traits into something potentially hazardous. 4. Yakalos are the heavier, more aggressive cousins of Dzos. Standing taller and carrying more weight, they are capable of knocking down barriers, injuring handlers, and even attacking intruders. What makes Yakalos particularly dangerous is their territorial nature, combined with unpredictable behavior. Unlike normal cattle, Yakalos are not domesticated in the usual sense. Their hybrid instincts make them wilder, stronger, and more violent. Encounters with Yakalos have been reported to involve sudden charges, using their horns with devastating effect. These hybrids highlight a simple truth. Combining species doesn't always make them safer. It can make them far more dangerous. 5. Jagualep. The Jagualep is a rare and extremely powerful feline hybrid. With the strength of a jaguar and the stealth of a leopard, this predator is virtually unstoppable in hunting. Jagualeps are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, using a combination of speed, agility, and pure brute force. Unlike natural jaguars or leopards, these hybrids are highly unpredictable, showing aggression when cornered or stressed. Their hybrid genes also make them stronger climbers and swimmers, allowing them to adapt to multiple environments. For researchers and wildlife enthusiasts, a jagualep is a marvel of nature and a danger. 6. Beefalo. Expanded beefalo are hybrids of bison and domestic cows, created primarily for meat production and resilience. But their hybrid nature makes them surprisingly dangerous. Unlike ordinary cattle, beefalo inherit the immense muscle mass, thick hide, and aggressive instincts of bison, making them capable of overpowering humans and predators alike. A fully grown beefalo can weigh over 1,000 kilograms, and when it charges, the force can break fences, topple trees, and crush obstacles in its path. Their thick, curved horns are not just defensive. They are weapons used instinctively, capable of impaling rivals or predators. Even trained beefalo can turn unexpectedly aggressive. Handlers report that they often misjudge the animal's behavior. 1 second docile, the next charging at a perceived threat. Hybrid vigor makes them resilient to harsh conditions, capable of surviving extreme cold, heat, or scarcity of food, but it also makes them unpredictable. In addition to physical strength, beefalo have a keen herd instinct combined with territorial aggression. When approached in groups, they can coordinate defensive maneuvers, intimidating intruders, or even chasing them away at high speeds. Their hybrid nature demonstrates that crossing species doesn't tame raw power. It amplifies it, producing a creature that is both extraordinary and potentially deadly. 7. Mysterian foxcat, fox times wildcat. Expanded Mysterian foxcats are small, rare, and deadly predators, a hybrid between a fox and a wildcat. On first glance, they may seem harmless, but their agility, speed, and sharp reflexes make them lethal hunters. These hybrids are nocturnal hunters, stalking prey silently under the cover of night. Their hybrid instincts allow them to calculate attack trajectories, pounce with extreme precision, and retreat before being seen. Even prey much larger than themselves often has no chance to escape. Mysterian foxcats are intelligent and cunning. They use shadows, natural cover, and terrain to their advantage, sometimes hiding for hours while watching potential prey. Their hunting strategy is not just instinct, it is a blend of fox-like patience and wildcat agility, making them extremely hard to predict. Despite their small size, they are fearless hunters, taking down birds, small mammals, and even juvenile predators if necessary. Their hybrid nature allows a perfect combination of stealth, speed, and aggression, giving them an edge over nearly every small forest predator. Encountering one in the wild is rare, but it is a reminder that even small hybrids can be lethal. Dragonfish hybrid, deep sea hybrid, expanded. The dragonfish hybrid lives in the pitch-black depths of the ocean, a place where survival demands extreme adaptation. Combining traits of the deep-sea dragonfish with experimental hybrid features, this predator is designed for lethal efficiency. Its bioluminescent organs act as lures and intimidation tools, glowing eerily in the darkness to attract prey or warn rivals. The hybrid's teeth are needle-sharp and hinged, allowing it to catch and secure prey that would normally escape smaller predators. Its jaw can expand dramatically, swallowing prey whole in seconds. Dragonfish hybrids are not just powerful, but incredibly fast. They can accelerate in bursts to ambush prey, and their hybrid metabolism allows them to survive in extreme pressure and cold, where most other creatures would perish. Even in controlled lab environments, they display aggression without warning, striking not only prey, but rivals, proving that hybridization can produce unpredictable hunters in the ocean. This predator reminds us that danger is not limited to land or air. Hybridization can create creatures that dominate entire ecosystems, mastering stealth, power, and precision. In the deep-sea darkness, the dragonfish hybrid reigns as a silent but deadly apex predator, a perfect example of how hybrid vigor can push evolution to terrifying extremes. Nature sometimes breaks its own rules. Hybrids are living proof. Creatures born from two species that combine strength, cunning, and unpredictability. Some of these hybrids are deadly, aggressive, and almost impossible to control. Hybrid animals are nature's experiments, combining species in ways that are beautiful, terrifying, and unpredictable.